Hi everybody, my name's Sarah from Mad Badger Designs, and today I'm going to show you how I make our wood and acrylic inlaid earrings. I call them the Venus earrings. You'll get a zip file, and it should show up in your downloads. So you're going to want to uncompress it first, and then when you open it up, you'll see there's instructions, an AI file, a DFX, EPS, PDF, and SVG. So you're going to want to open whatever one you like to use in your laser. I personally like to use this Hearts PDF. So I'm going to go over to the Glowforge app and we will upload that design. So it's sitting in downloads in here. We'll upload that. Okay, so here we are, and we open the file in the Glowforge app, and if I push this down here, you can see there's 3 sections to this file. So the first section is this double earring. So if you just wanted to make these earrings without the inlay, and you want to get 2 sets of earrings, this is what you'd make, this double earring. We are not going to make that one today. We are going to make the inlaid ones. So we're going to work with the second and the third sections, but for right now we've got the medium cherry hardwood, so that's going to be the interior inlay in this particular set of earrings. And so what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of everything we don't need. So we don't need any of that, and we don't need this. This part is for the veneer, so we'll get rid of that. And I'm going to go ahead and reposition these. So they're off to the side, and I'm actually going to make 2 pairs of this. And what you'll see is I'll end up with 4 pairs of earrings because the way this file works. So, all right, so we've got our earrings laid out on our material, and you'll just want to make sure that you've got the right material in here for Glowforge, which because it's proof grade, it scans it. And it's going to cut, and then we're just going to go ahead and hit ready print. Yep, 39 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and hit print here. Okay, now I'm going to just pull these out, and what you get is an inlay and the outer ring of the things. So this was the hardwood. Now we're going to go and do the same step for the acrylic. I did the step for the hardwood, and now I have the acrylic loaded in the machine, and we don't need to change. We'll use the exact same parts of the file. So I'm just going to find a place on this piece of acrylic that I can put these little hearts so I won't take up too much space. And right in there. And then for this material, it's the medium blue acrylic that I used for the cutting settings, and that's recommended by Cerulean Tides, and I found that works really well. And now we'll hit print and print these out. Now you can see I've put the veneer in here, and we don't want to use these hearts, so we're going to go back to our dashboard. And we're going to re-upload the file. So back to the same file you uploaded. We're going to just use a different part now. All right, so again, we're not making this double earring, so we can eliminate that, and we printed all the fronts, so we can eliminate that second section. And I'm going to eliminate the instructions here, but now you have these backs. This is the veneer back that you're going to print, and remember I'm doing a double batch of these earrings. If you're only doing 2 pairs of earrings, you only need to print what's in front of you, but if you're doing a double batch like I am, you need to do both. So I just copied it. We'll pop that in down here. All right, and then the setting here is going to be the thin cherry veneer, and that's just the Glowforge setting, and that works really well, even though this is not Glowforge material. That all looks good. We'll hit ready print. Okay, so this is going to take about 30-40 seconds to print, and it looks like it's still all lined up really nicely, so we'll go ahead and hit print, and then we'll show you the next steps. Okay, so now I have all my pieces. I've got the veneer here. I've got the cherry hardwood here, and then this is the Pacific Blue acrylic. And so to make a pair of earrings, you're going to want to take an outer ring, and you're going to want to go ahead, and I like to peel off all the masking first. On both sides. Okay, so there's an outer ring, and then you're going to want to get an inner ring, and so we use the contrasting material on the inside. I'm going to get, for the wood, I'm going to get this little scraper here. It's a little less scratchy. Okay. Then what you're going to do is, I like to have the frosted side of the earring be the front. And so you can kind of see, I think, this is frosted, and then this is a little shiny. That's the smooth side. That's going to be the back. And so let's pop our little heart right in there, and you can see it just fits right in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over because we want to put the veneer on the back side. And so if you look at your veneer pieces, they are not symmetrical because you want to be able to mate it up with the jump ring on the right side. So you can see that this is going to mate really well. So what you're going to do is you're going to peel off the backing of the veneer. And if you've worked with anything that has 3M, you know the 3M is super, super sticky. It's really, really great adherence. But it's a little unforgiving sometimes if you don't get it right. So you really want to work hard to match it up really well. And one of the things that I've done with this file is these hearts for the veneer are a tiny bit smaller than the fronts. So it makes it a little bit easier to make sure that you don't overlap. So once you have it veneered, you want to really stick it hard and just press it down so it's like perfectly adhered. And that's it. And then you're ready to put on your jump rings and your hardware. Okay, so now that I've shown you how to make one earring, now I'm just going to do a time lapse of me putting together all the other earrings.